That Start Off Assistance Inactive message on a BMW is related to the feature that helps prevent the car from rolling backward on a hill. It's that small assist that holds the brakes for a couple of seconds while you move your foot to the accelerator. So when it turns off, the car is basically telling you that this function isn't available at that moment. Now, something we see a lot in the shop is that this message shows up and disappears without warning, and that's where many customers start wondering what happened. We hear things like, "It popped up on a hill and then never came back," which gives us a clear clue that it's not always a permanent failure, but rather something temporary the system detected. Building on that, one of the most common causes we find has to do with the battery. Many customers come in saying, "The car drives fine, but weird messages keep popping up, and when we check, we find low voltage." We always explain it simply. If the battery isn't stable, the car starts shutting down secondary functions, and this assist is one of the first to go. On the other hand, brake system sensors also play a big role, especially the ABS sensors. In day-to-day shop work, we see that if one of those sensors starts acting up, the car will automatically disable several assist features. We even hear comments like, "Sometimes the ABS light comes on too," which directly connects to this issue. Along those same lines, the stability control system is also part of the equation, since everything works together. We've seen cases where the issue comes from the brake pedal or inconsistent readings, causing the system to not properly understand when it should hold the car on a hill. As we like to say here, if the information isn't reliable, the car would rather not activate the assist. Now, from BMW's perspective, this behavior is completely intentional. The system is designed to deactivate itself if it detects anything out of the ordinary, all in the name of safety. It doesn't necessarily mean something is broken. Most of the time, it's just reacting to another condition happening in the car.